Dear students, in the last episode, the question number 10, there is some printing mistake on the test, but this is write as PR minus QR is 2.5 in the test, but it is not correct, it is wrong. Therefore, the correct is in triangle PQR, angle right angle at Q, PR plus not minus, it is plus, QR is equal to 2.5 not 2.5, it is 25 centimeter, and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the values of the pyramidal values of P and Q, P and R. That means find sin P, cos P and tan P. That is the question. The correct question is PR plus QR is equal to 25, not a minus, and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Then listen, this is the right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Then PQ is 5 centimeter. P means this is the angle P, therefore we can find out all other two sides. PR plus QR is equal to 25. That is our equation, it is given. PR plus QR, that is given. Then what is the Pythagorean relation? PQ square is equal to PR square minus QR square. That is the Pythagorean relation. What is PQ? 5. Therefore, 5 square is equal to, this is of the form A square minus B square. That is A plus B into A minus B. That is 5 square is 25 is equal to PR plus QR from 1, that is 25 into PR minus QR. Therefore, PR minus QR is equal to 25 by 25 is equal to 1. This is the second equation. Clear? Then first is PR plus QR is equal to 25, first equation. PR minus QR is equal to 1, second equation. One is plus QR, other is minus QR. Adding these two, that is adding. PR plus PR, 2 PR. Cancel these two, is equal to 26. Therefore, PR is equal to 26 by 2, that is 30. Therefore, this is 30. Then, 13 plus QR is equal to 25. Therefore, QR is equal to 25 minus 13 is equal to 12. Therefore, this is 12. Therefore, all the sides are, we get the length of the sides, that is QR 12, PQ 5 and PR 30. Therefore, for the angle P, opposite is 12, adjacent side is 5 and the hypotenuse is 30. Therefore, sin P is equal to opposite side, that is 12 by hypotenuse. Cos P is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. And tan P is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is the result. Then exercise the 11th question, that is a true or false question, that is for your homework. That is page number 181, exercise 8.1. The last question, that is 11th question, homework, that is true or false. Then using that sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, etc., we can find out the solution of the problems in the next exercise, that is exercise 8.2. First question, evaluate. Then the first question of that main question, number 1, is sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Then second question, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Then third question, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Then fourth question, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. And the fifth question, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 c square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. These main 5 questions. Clear? We know that the sin 0, not 0, that is sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90, that is 1. But in this problem there is no 0 or there is no 90 at least. Then cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, then tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, then cosec 32, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 60 2 by root 3, sec 30 2 by root 3, sec 45 root 2, sec 60 2, cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 by root 3. These are the values. Therefore answer. Question number 1. That is sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60 is equal to, what is sin 60? That is root 3 by 2 into cos 30, sin 60 and cos 30 are equal, that is root 3 by 2, plus sin 30 1 by 2 into cos 60 1 by 2. That's root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. That is the value of the first question. Then question number 2. What is it? 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 is equal to 2 into, what is tan 45? 1. 1 square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2. Therefore root 3 by 2 the whole square Sine 60 root 3 by 2. The whole square. 1 square is on 2 into 1 is 2 plus. Root 3 square is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4, 3 by 4 cancels. We get to 50. That is the second question. Then third question. Then question number 3. Cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. By cos 30 root 3 by 2. Therefore sec 30 2 by root 3. Cos 30 to root 3 by 2. Therefore sec 30 2 by root 3. Cosec 30 sin 30 1 by 2. Cosec 30 2. This is the third question. But there is some fraction, therefore we take LCM. That is equal to 1 by root 2 by LCM. 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Then there are two fractions. Then division, therefore multiply numerator with the reciprocal of the denominator. That is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 into 2 plus root 3. That is 2 taken as common. That is the final answer. That is root 3 by 2 into root 2 into 2. That is 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 3. That is root 6. That is the final answer. Then we cannot, sometimes we can rationalize the remainder or not. Therefore, this is the final answer. Then question number 4. That is question number 4. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 is equal to sin 30 1 by 2, tan 45 1, sin 60 root 3 by 2, therefore cosec 60 2 by root 3, divided by cos 30 root 3 by 2, therefore sec 30 2 by root 3, cos 60 1 by 2, cot 45 1. Then listen, the LCM is 2 root 3. The numerator is 2 root 3 by 2, that is root 3, therefore root 3 plus 2 root 3 is the numerator, 2 root 3 minus 2 by 2 root 3 is the LCM. Therefore 2 root 3 by root 3, that is 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2, therefore root 3 plus 2 root 3. Therefore denominator cancels. That is take the reciprocal. That is equal to 2 root 3 plus root 3, 3 root 3 minus 2 by 2 root 3 plus root 3, that is 3 root 3 plus 4. This is the answer. Okay? Otherwise we can rationalize the denominator. That is the fourth, the answer of the fourth question. Then fifth question is equal to, what is cos 60 1 by 2? 5 into 1 by 2 square plus 4 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. Therefore, sec 30 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 square minus tan 45 1 square 5. Sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 1. Otherwise, sin 30 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 square. Is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4 plus 2 square is 4. 4 into 4, 16 by root 3 square is 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That is 1. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. That is 1. That is equal to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by 1. That is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. That is 1. Is equal to 4 and 3. That is 12 is the LCM. 12 upon 12 by 4. 3. 3 into 5 50 plus 12 by 3. That is 4. 4 into 16 64 minus 12. 1 into 12 12. That is equal to 15 minus 12 3. 64 plus 3 67 divided by 12. This is the value of the fifth question. Okay. Then question number 2, choose the correct option. Question number 2, choose correct answer. Question number 1, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Second question, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Third question, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Then a is equal to dash. Fourth question, two tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. There are 4 optional values. Out of the 4 optional values, we take the correct answer. These are the result in the plus 1 classes for trigonometry. That is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. That is sin 60. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Therefore, the answer of that one is root 3 by 2. Therefore, it is 60. How will you calculate this one? That is equal to 2 into, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. Then take LCM. 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 into reciprocal 3 by 4. That is equal to 2 and 4 cancels, we get it 2. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 by root 3 is root 3. What is root 3 by 2? It is cos 60 1 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 is equal to sin 60. That is the correct answer. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Answer option A. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Tan 60 root 3. Sin 30 1 by 2. Oh, that the correct answer is A. Then for second question, that is 1 minus tan 45 1 by 1 plus tan 45 1, that is 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Tan that is cos 90 is 0. The answer is 0. That is option B. That is answer is option D. Because 0 is 0. Or tan 9 cos 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, the angle is always equal to cos 90. Then, second question. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Then what is the answer? There are 4 answers. One answer is 0. That is sin 0, 0. 2 sin 0, 0. Then second answer 30 degree. That means A is equal to 30 degree. Sin 2a means sin 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Then sin 30 1 by 2. Therefore sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore 2 sin 30 is 1. They are not equal. Therefore not to 30 degree. Then 45 degree. 45 into, what is it? 45 into 2. That is 90. Sin 91. Left side is 1. Sin 45 1 by root 2. 2 into 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2. 1 is root 2. They are not correct. They are wrong. Therefore, A is not 30 degree or 40 degree. 60 degree. Sin 2a is equal to sin 120. Sin 120 is sin 90 plus 30. Sin 90 plus theta is cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 sin 60. That is A is 60. Is equal to 2 into root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3. They are not equal. Therefore, the answer is 0 degree. Answer of third question is 0 degree. Therefore, answer is A. That is 0 degree. The next one, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. Is equal to 2 into tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 30 square, that is 1 by root 3 square. Is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 cancels. 3 root 3 cancels. Equal to root 3. Therefore, tan 60 is the answer. Therefore, answer that is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. That is answer C. C. That is the answer. Clear? Then question number 3 of that exercise. Question number 3. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Find a and b. That is the third question. What is tan 30 1 by root 3? Tan 45 1. Tan 60 root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 root 3. Therefore, tan a plus b is equal to root 3. That is answer. Which implies that a plus b is equal to what? 60 degree. That is equation number 1. That is tan 60 is root 3. Then a minus b is 1 by root 3. That is tan a minus b is 1 by root 3 means tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Equation number 2. Adding these two, we get to a. That is 2a is equal to 60 plus 30. That is 90. Therefore, a is equal to 45 degree. Substitute in first case. 45 plus b is equal to 60. Therefore, b is equal to 60 minus 45. Is equal to 15. So, a is equal to 45 degree. B is equal to 15 degree. Sum is 60 and difference is 30. That is all. Okay. The fourth question is true or false question. That is for your homework. Then exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3. Then evaluate. Question number 1. Sin 18 by cos 72. Question number 2. Tan 26 by cot 64. Question number 3. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Question number 4. Cosec 31 minus sec 59. These are, we can find out or the result using sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Using this formula, we can find out the values of this one. Then answer. Question number 1. Sin 18 by cos 72. What is 19 minus 18? 90 minus 18. That is 72. Therefore, this sin 18 is replaced by sin 90 minus 72 by cos 72. What is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta by cos 72. Any number by that number is equal to 1. This is the answer of that question. Or we can convert to cos 72 into cos 90 minus 18. That is sin 18. Therefore, sin 18 by sin 18 we get to 1. That means we can convert to any one angle into 90 minus other angle. Then the reduction formula for that one. Then question number 2. Tan 26 by cot 64 is equal to 64 plus 6, 70 plus 20, what is it? 90. Therefore, this tan 76 is replaced by tan 90 minus 64 by cot 64. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That is cot 64 by cot 64. Any number by that number 1. Therefore, this is the answer of that second question. Okay. Then what is the third question? Third question is question number 3. Cos 48 minus sin 42. That is 42 is 90 minus 48. Yes. This 42 is equal to cos 42 minus sin, that is 48, minus sin 90 minus 48. What is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Minus cos 48. Any k minus that k is equal to 0. That is the answer of third question. Then fourth question. That cosec 31 minus sec 59 is equal to cosec 31 minus sec 90 minus 31, that is 59. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Is equal to cosec 31 minus cosec 31. The answer is always 0. That is the answer of that fourth question. Then the second question of exercise 8.3. Second question of exercise 8.3. That is, show that question number 1. Tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 is equal to 1. Second question, cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 is equal to 0. These are the two questions of the question number 2, main question number 2. Listen. That is 48, 23, 42, 67. That is answer of question number 1. LHS is equal to tan 48. Yes, LHS is equal to tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67. That is equal to. Tan 48 is always right as tan 48. Into. Tan 23 is also right as tan 23. Into. Tan 42 is tan 90 minus 48. And tan 67 is tan 90 minus 23. That is equal to tan 48 into tan 23 into what is tan 90 minus 48? Cot to 48. Tan 90 minus 23, cot to 23. That is equal to tan 48 into cot to 48 into tan 23 into cot to 23. That is the product of any trigonometric function, its reciprocal is equal to 1. Therefore, this is 1 into this is 1 is equal to 1. That is the answer of that question. Then question number 2, cos 38 into cos 52 is replaced by cos 90 minus 38. Minus sin 38 into sin 52 is sin 90 minus 38 is equal to cos 38 into cos 90 minus 38 sin 38 minus sin 38 into sin 90 minus theta cos theta 38. Any term minus that term is equal to 0. This is the second question. Listen, the next 2 or more 3 questions are in this exercise, and the problems based on trigonometric identities are eliminating from your syllabus, because that problems what the base of sin square theta plus cos square theta etc. They are identities are eliminating from your exam. Therefore, we conclude this episode. Then the other 2 or more 3 questions in the next episode. Then we consider the next chapter, that is the 7th chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay.